Hello divas! We are on day 12. Day 12. We are partway through our calendars. And I don't have Arteza here because as you remember yesterday, when we opened them, there were 3 days in one. So today and tomorrow won't have any Arteza in it. So let's open this. I believe 12 is here. 12 is here from Daphne's Diary. Close that up. Isn't this such a beautiful cabinet? Love it. Okay. Let me see what's... Oh, okay. Okay, these are stencils. Let me see if I can bring it in a bit. These are stencils that you punch out the inside bits. And this one is a deer. Let's see. You can use that with your paper crafting. You can even use these. I'm gonna use those pieces to glue. Here, let me show you. I'm gonna use those pieces to glue onto something. That would be fun. And this is the stencil. So you just punch out, this would be a nice skate. There's a Christmas ball, a house, part of it, that's punched out already. This one is just a fancy design of some sort. This one looks like a squirrel. Not too happy with that one. This one looks like a rocking chair, and this one, of course, is a rocking horse. Very nice, thank you. Let me see. So I wish the rest of those little pieces would have come with it. That would have been fun. Diamond Painting Creations, day 12. Look at this big one. Ooh, something rattling around in there. Oh, here we go. Here's a diamond painting pen that has a diamond on the end. Isn't that nice? Let's open it up. It's a blue and white check. And you twist. This is a regular pen. I thought it would be a diamond painting pen, but nope. As you can see, it writes. Okay. A writing pen. Cool. Okay. I know that some people make diamond painting pens out of those, so I'll prop this up over here. And now we have Add More Zest. Let's see. Ooh. Ooh, you know me and stickers. That's nice. Let me see what the stickers are. They look like Christmas balls on this side. Yep, the Christmas balls and hearts. And, okay, 2 of each. 2 of the Christmas balls. Slightly different shades of color. Let's see. Okay, so it runs 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 colors. 1, 2, 3, 4, and that one's cut off. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, so that's fine. And then the same with the hearts. So we've got hearts. They're all individually cut. So you can write the number on there, whether it be like the DMC number that you're using, or it could be a calendar, you know, like 1 to 24. It could be anything. You could even use them on your holiday stationery if you'd like. Save the hearts for Valentine's Day. Alrighty. Thank you for the stickers. It's interesting how not all of the kits stick to like specifically diamond painting items. You know, some of these are tools, or they would come in useful beyond, not just diamond painting, but like they would come in useful beyond that. It takes a little imagination to also use them for diamond painting. I'm not at all upset with Add More Zest. Some of the other kits, like from last year and this year, I'm not so sure. But, you know, beggars can't be choosers, right? Here we go. Okay, this is a butterfly kit. Oh, that's gorgeous. Let me show you. It's a butterfly crystal kit. Let's see, this is, I'm really happy here. Oh, how beautiful. There are 2 double-sided butterflies. They come with the chain and lobster claw. They come with the big crystal dangles and the rainbow or chakra colored beadwork to go down to it, and then they come with the beads, with the gems, the drills. Nice, very nice. I like that a lot. I'm really pleased with this, how much we get for the money for Diamond Painting Deutschland. All right, so here are the goodies for today. And the Arteza one was the stencil for today. So I'm just letting you know. Very nice. Thank you for the goodies. Thank you for coming in and opening them up with me. I really have fun doing these for you. And I hope I can brighten your day a little bit by giving you a little surprise. And some of these goodies will be extra presents. If anybody orders anything from my Etsy shop between now and Christmas, I'm adding in little gifts, and some of these items may even be in your gift box. Who knows? All right. Thank you, Divas. I will see you soon. Bye.